So we walked in the unit here. This is the refrigerator. And I already noticed a little spot there where it has been leaking. Come in here and sure enough you can see water right here. So what that tells me is that this drain, and this is going to be one of the little fun ones, there's probably going to be a lot of water that's come up here, and we're going to have to take this apart, take this screw out, pull the shelves out. We're going to have to take this ice maker out the way. We're going to remove it. Don't pull the screws all the way out, just pull them out far enough that way that you can just hook the ice maker back around the screws and tighten them up. Sometimes there will be one right there and sometimes there's not, and then that'll allow us to be able to remove the screws out of this back panel, and we're going to slowly pull this back panel off and steam and defrost this drain that's going to be right here. So you guys know I get my steamer going, fill it up, and get it cooking while I'm taking this fridge apart. Now that we got this back panel down, so you can see here, this drain is obviously clogged up right there. That's why you're seeing all this buildup, and what that does is water will run down here and go past here where the air flows up, and it'll leak your water. So you'll see right down there. And we may not have to take this back panel off. In some cases you may, just according to how froze up it is. In this situation, I'm just going to squeeze right here and pull this panel off, or that'll give us access to right here at the bottom, and we'll be good to go. I see the drains here, so I'm going to go ahead and unclog it real fast. So what I like to do is locate it. Just get right on it. Alright, excuse me, the drain's right back there. See, it tricked me. It looked like it was right there, but it's actually back here. Got that done. Now I'm going to defrost and break off all this ice, because you want to get it all out of there so it don't build up on you again. So now we got that done. Now I'm going to defrost and break off all this ice, because you want to get it all out of there so it don't build up on you again. What I'll do is I'll steam around this big block of ice here, steam around it, and then I'll give it a good little of that. And what you can do is take these beverage images and throw them in the sink. Instead of having to steam all this and get all this water and stuff like that. That's a little trick I like to do. Just want to show you guys that. So now we can install the ice maker. I like to plug the harness in first, then I will hang the ice maker back on the screws. This is why I say do not pull them out. It just makes it easier to hang the ice maker. Once you get the ice maker back on the screws, you want to make sure that you have the fill tube in the little fill cap so that it will fill the ice maker properly and you won't have any leaks. Alright guys, that's it. 20 minutes of work, 105 bucks. Defrost this drain real fast. Moving on to the next one. See you guys in the next video.